pulling up into my buddy's driveway right now. Alex Tant, man, y'all know him. Ooh, bad lighting. All right, y'all, so the truck's in the shop. Like I said in the beginning, we're installing wheel lights. We have a couple things in this box from RGB Halo Kits. I'm gonna put all their stuff in the description down below. If you guys wanna go check out their work, go to the Instagram, RGB Halo Kits. They also have a YouTube channel too. They post some pretty good stuff. A lot of car stuff, a lot of truck stuff, and they sent me out this nice box right here. So like I said, appreciate that, Alex. Ant's gonna be helping out in the video today. He's actually done wheel lights on his truck that he sold now. You guys know he's got the new GMC Denali. It's a super nice truck. Right here we have the wheel lights. These are Flow Series, all Bluetooth controlled. They are single row though. They're actually out of stock with the double row, so I was just lucky enough just to get these sent out. Okay. And here too, I'm not gonna, we have a Chevy emblem, and this is actually Flow Series 2. It's Bluetooth, it's really nice. I don't know if this is gonna go on the Tahoe or the Cateye. I have something big coming up. It should be here in probably about another month, something for this Cateye. So it could fall into play with this, but right now we're gonna leave it in the box. We'll get into all the little details of what it all comes with, all the wires, all the little harnesses, but that'll be the end of the video because we're not gonna be wiring up yet. So how's it going, Grandpa? Like it?
Not a piece of shit.
Better jump into the video. Just a couple more things. One, y'all, if you're not seeing the bad fishing videos with Waterlands and 6 Cents, go check them out. You can use my promo code to get some of the best tackle on the market right now. All the stuff will be in the description. And we got Dollar Jerky Club. We'll crack into this in the middle of the video just to give us a break. So he has a jerky and he has like a detailing company. So we'll talk more about it, but all right, let's get to these wheel lights. Alright, so I'm explaining really quick how these works. I've actually never done wheel lights. Alex has, and he's just kind of explaining to me now. So you have 4 of these brackets. All of them are loose. They come like this in a way of just like you can adjust the sizes. For the 20-inch flakes I have, we're not going to be able to do them that freaking big. And they even go a lot bigger. And plus these strips too are super long. So we might have to overlap it, but we got our size to where we want to do, and we'll get all of them ready. So that's the size we're going to roll with. Once this goes over, you have 3 small little brackets right here, and it actually, you have to self-tap it into the back of the dust shield. But pretty much something like that. That's how it sits on. We'll keep on going step through step. Like I said, we're gonna show you guys how we do one, and then this is a long process of doing these wheel lights. So we'll probably time lapse the rest, but if you guys are just watching me to do this or watching how to do this, we'll give you a little bit of both. So we're still figuring it out. Drilled all of these, put the self-tapping screws in them. This is a process, y'all. It's a lot. Knew it was gonna be hard, but just not this tedious. Knocking it out though. Y'all stay put. Waiting for the drill to charge. I might as well do a quick little review on this Dollar Jerky Club. Like I said, y'all, find them on Instagram. I'm not gonna lie, Alex and I couldn't resist. Who doesn't like jerky? We opened up this bag. Depends on what subscription you get, but right now we have 3 bags of beef jerky and a Slim Jim all the way down at the bottom. And I saw that one's gonna be spicy, so this is one that we opened up, and y'all, it is freaking good. If you're a redneck, everybody likes jerky, and it's expensive. So I mean, in the bag. I'm trying. Off the bat, this one has like a cinnamon, like not cinnamon, it's like a sugar like glaze over it. This one was good. This one's really good. That's my favorite. It's like the bacon kind. It's good stuff. It's not cheap.
Yeah, I just ate the rest of it.
That bag's gone. Grass-fed beef jerky.
I'm gonna go buy me a whole bag of that.
It's so good. All right, smell that one. Grass-fed. This one's got more of like a pepper flavor seasoning on it. Nobody likes to get jerky that it's dry. This stuff is so moist. Dude, that's like a different flavor. I buy a lot of beef jerky. Y'all ain't lying, this stuff I've never tasted. This is good. Orange teriyaki. There you go. Oh, it's got a little bit of
It smells kind of weird.
It's good. It's definitely got that orange like flavor to it. Thick pieces, super moist. They're not bad. The first 2, my favorite though.
I like this one better than the grass fed.
Volcanic on it. Let's see.
You got it.
Holy shit. That's hot. Ooh, that's hot. It's good though. It's moist. It's a good Slim Jim. Oh, but it's hot. It's thick. It's moist. It's good, but I can't do spicy. If not like that. If not like spicy, you're like this.
This hands down my favorite beef jerky I've ever tasted in my life.
Alex, what have we got ourselves into with these wheel lights?
Never do another set in my life.
I'm lucky he's helping me because no one else wanted to do it. I'm gonna keep on smacking this. Like I said, y'all, Dollar Jerky Club, go on Instagram, you can look him up. He has 2 subscriptions. There's another box that has like a bunch of like car and truck detail and stuff. I actually have one of those at the house too, so we'll knock that video out pretty soon. A bunch of good stuff, really good boxes. Who doesn't like beef jerky coming to their door every single month? If y'all enjoy it, get on it. Like I said, look him up on Instagram. I have all the stuff in the description. Go find him, go get yourself a Dollar Jerky Club. We'll end it on that.
Hey, baby.
Always something, y'all. We don't just don't have the best luck with trucks when we do stuff like this. The caliber wouldn't want to go on. We had to take that all apart. It's just stuff we didn't want to have to do. We're having to do, but I wanted to show you guys like step by step how to do this. I'm missing steps, kind of just because I'm trying to help Alex. We're working together. Sometimes just don't have a hand for a camera, but I'll show you guys what we're working with right now. Just to speed this up, we've been doing this for now like, what do you say, Alex? Just like one side, like 3 hours. But we spent like an hour trying to figure out these lights. Thought we were missing some parts. Had to run the Walmart, just a lot of stuff. It's a long process, but let me show you what we got going on. And all the holes drilled right now. Alex is just mounting the brackets that are to the dust shield onto, call it the ring that holds the wheel lights. Just lining up these holes down here to get them all together. You gotta put them on the back. We have to tighten the brackets on the back. Just to speed this up, I'm gonna jump on the other side. I was trying to like run back and forth, but I'm gonna start taking apart the other side just so we can try to speed this up. Second wheel lights are on. All we have to do now is just zip tie, connect it, run it up the upper control arm, and then we are pretty much done with the front. Put the tire back on, cut all the zip ties. So we're about halfway done. The camera battery is on at 2%, like 2 bars, which should give me about another hour, but your boy forgot the other battery. I brought it with me and just left it in the Tahoe. So I do not want this to die, so we're just gonna stop filming on this part, and then the next clip you will see is we're working on the back. Alright y'all, time has come. We are on the rear now. Like I said, the battery is dying. Yeah, we still got 2 bars. So like I said, everything's pretty much the same. Exact thing for the rear, we're just dealing with drum brakes. Actually, I have no clue how we're gonna do this. This is, like I said, this is Alex's show. I'm just here to help and support and just try to get this done. Cool mob, we're working hard to get it done. Like I said, it's just a very, very long process. Don't want to kill this battery, so let's get to work. Alright, we got them mounted, grabbing the wheel lights, pulling off that tape and sticking them on. Filmed a little bit of the process on the other side. Like I said, y'all, I'm not going to show you both sides. This is just a hard project. Taking it to work, but I think y'all get the gist of how you do these. Once this goes on, I'll zip tie them, we'll cut them all and run it the way we want, and then we'll knock out that side. And then I think one of the main important parts of all this, it was just tricky with these wheel lights that they just didn't come with instructions. There's not so much the wheel lights themselves, it was the wiring, and I'll show you guys how you can actually like built into the turn signal and all that stuff. We're not going to run it on that. So the main part, we're going to show you guys how we're going to run it all the way up the truck, wire all of it up. We're so freaking beat from doing this. I'm not sure we're going to show you guys. We'll probably turn them on, but like what these wheel lights can actually do, we'll probably do tomorrow. But yeah, we're hanging in there. Good reason when you zip time, see it's going to have that self tap right there. It's still on there pretty good, but it just, you have that lump and over time it might start to peel. So you put all them zip ties. It secures are good. We're knocking this one out. Alex about to start on that one. We're almost done. Tolerance level right now is like, it's not good. So close to just like wanting to cut everything. I mean, this is such a tedious thing. But I'm doing it for y'all. The last video you guys got it to like almost 10. You'll be watching this when it could be at like 13. You never know, but it's growing rapidly. We're about to hit 10K as we speak right now. Let's see what time it is. Alex, what time we start this?
Pretty much working on the truck by 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, it is 3:28. 7 or 8 hours we have been freaking doing this, give or take. We'll probably still be doing this like 4 or 5 o'clock, so I'm doing it for y'all. You guys have been killing it. We hit 17,000 subscribers, now at like 17,040. It's doing really good. A huge thanks to you guys. That's why we are out here grinding doing this, because this is probably the worst. Like I said, Alex, the lift was worse. Lift took like freaking almost 2 weeks, wasn't it? Like, it was just a non-stop going process for that thing. Parts breaking. It was a big thing out of my pocket with money, but yeah, making it work. I just wired up the whole entire side. Alex is up here at the front messing with some stuff in the computer, trying to get all this wired up. I'm gonna restart what I just did for like the last 45 minutes all the way up here. At the end, we'll show you guys how we ran it and then how we ran our wiring, so you're not confused if you want to do this. So stick with us. I appreciate it, guys. Oh, we are done. It has been a long night. It is now 4:06 and we have just completed this. Most people don't even do these in all one day just because of how bad they suck. But we got everything ran. Y'all don't need to see how I ran it up the frame. Just whatever looks best, you want to run it that way and let it touch. We're going anywhere near the exhaust. Just play it smart. And you want to combine them right here. Go all the way in the back of the motor. You can see our wires come around. We ran everything in here. There's a nice little compartment where we ran it down where all the extra wire was. Blue and the yellow, you can use that for like your turn signals if you want to wire that in, but we're not doing that. We hooked the box up right there. Just ran through the cigarette lighter, and I still have power running inside too. Alex, you want to show them? Pop that open. Everything still works. Have it nicely ran in here. You just want to make it nice. Don't want to make it a fire hazard. We do have wires running around. We're going to turn them on, pull the truck out, and we're going to show you guys how these look. Like I said, they are Bluetooth Flow series to my phone, which is extremely nice, just like the headlights of my Tahoe. This is the app right here, y'all. Just let it load up. Turn them on. You can go through all these different modes. They change colors, your solid lights. They look good. I'm extremely happy with them. Alex is about to pull the truck out. Show you guys how they look in the dark. This is always the funnest part, freaking cleaning up. All right, y'all, we're wrapping it up. This freaking video was hard. It was tedious. Like I said, we've been out here for like 8-9 hours. It's almost 4:30 now, but we got it wrapped up, grinding for you guys. Killing it with the views. Hopefully this whole series with the truck are gonna love it, and with fishing, everything I do on my channel. If you guys are new and like this type of content, please hit the like and subscribe button like always. Alex, dude, without Alex, I seriously could not have gotten this done. I don't know anything about this. I learn stuff about trucks every single day, and just like the wheel lights, it's just I never done them. Watch Alex do them a couple of times. He's had on mostly all of his trucks. Thank you, man, for helping.
Never again.
Never again. That's
Never
fine.
Again.
Never again for me either, because this is so tedious. I did the star headliner. I've done a lot of tedious jobs like this with these wheel lights. Y'all just think you just mount brackets. The way we kind of film this video just seems easy, but every time we did a step, I had to shut the camera off because we're running into about 40 minutes of a problem. Just things don't go the way it is, older trucks like this, but we got it done. It looks good. If you want to see a Monaco on this truck, just leave it in the comments down below. We can probably make it happen. We have some more stuff coming. Like I said, about a month, we have something really custom coming for this truck. So if y'all are excited to see that, stay tuned. I really appreciate it, guys. Live Fast TV.